Right now I'm setting up a suction cup mount.
The Storm Riders are beefing up their arsenal of gadgets and gear, including adding a tornado probe. The probe is a camera attached to a weight. The guys plan to place it in front of a tornado to get the shot they never could due to the high level of danger. A twister passing over the lens of the camera.
All right, here it is.
They actually had two different probes. The first was a homemade effort by Simon.
Are you sure you just don't want to use this when you're like lifting so you can look at yourself?
But now, the guys are getting more sophisticated.
I feel pretty good about putting this thing in front of a tornado. We can put weights in it to weigh it down. It's watertight. We have a camera inside that can see through this dome. Hopefully, if we can get a tornado today, we can put the probe in front of the tornado.
The Storm Riders are ready for their first chance to deploy the high-tech probe.
We're about to be in for some pain here. Oh, crap. Here we go.
New crack.
But massive hail derails the chase.
Even though we weren't able to deploy the probe, it was still a very successful chase. I mean, there wasn't a tornado to put in front of it anyway.
We could have put the probe out and let it get the crap beaten out of it by hail, but, I mean, what's the point of that? We were getting the crap beaten out of us by hail.
Round two. The guys are back on the chase the next day, determined to deploy.
And if we can't get it in a tornado, we're just hold on to the probe itself, just spin around in circles in like a field, hope that some dust gets kicked up around us while we're turning, and then we can say that's our tornado video for today.
Whoa, 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 whoa. We're sliding a little bit here.
This time, slippery, sloppy conditions stop the Storm Riders in their tracks.
We just got stuck right now.
Which means, once again, today will not be the day the probe sees any action. And neither will this day.
If the tornado doesn't move, we'll have to throw the probe into the tornado.
Or this day.
Hey man, instead of us deploying the probe, we can be the probe.
No, we're not in the best position right now to deploy a probe.
You guessed it. No go. After 3 months and thousands of miles on the road, the probe stays safe and sound, tucked away in Simon's truck.
We still haven't got to put that thing in any action.
There's always next year.